Look at that sweet baby. Sitting right there by its little bowl, waiting for Mama to 4 o'clock feeding time. See the other one in the back? It's sneezing. I don't know if he's got something stuck in his nose. Now you've been sneezing for an hour. There he goes. Hear him? It's a good thing it's not hunting season. He can't stop sneezing. Okay, it's been a while, so I figured I'd post, but it's a beautiful, beautiful Florida day. I've been planting all my vegetables in buckets to put in the greenhouse. Try to deer-proof the greenhouse again. There's our sky. They blasted us yesterday, and yeah, when I went to the mailbox last night, you could see with the flashlight there was so much in the air, I didn't even want to breathe. Let's go see what the big white light's doing. It's been a while, people. The deer just ain't been up to nothing. Oh, goodness. There she is. It's a different camera, different phone. I can't get zoomed in on this one. I'm sure she's pulsing. But different phone. Believe it or not, the older phone is way better. Well, we know that. But I've got buckets and buckets of veggies. Poor little deer. Jeez. Let me go down there and give him some corn. They have not been wanting the corn. I bought 4 bags of corn, and they don't like it at all. So next time, whoops. See, he just keeps sneezing. Next time I'm going to definitely try and buy him something else. See, he's scratching his nose. Let me go try and help the little fella out. I'll give him some fresh water. It's a beautiful, beautiful Florida day. Been watching the tornadoes. Y'all, I don't care. I know, we get hurricanes, whatever. Like I said, I'll take a hurricane where I can watch it coming and get prepared any day of the week. Then I'll take a tornado. Those things are too terrifying. You don't know what they're going to do, where they're going to go, and they just annihilate everything. At least on the hurricanes, we can get ready, hunker down or get out. Those people don't seem to have a chance. Oh, look at my trees. Can y'all see my trees, what they did in just a month? They had no leaves, and now see how tall that sucker is? I get it why the person that bought this house and cleared this land put those trees there. It's to keep the house, the dirt from eroding, because the little house is up on a hill. I get it, but I'll sure have to watch them suckers whenever it gets windy. Let me go help that baby. I can't stand listening to him sneeze. Where you at, baby? See? He's just shaking his head and sneezing. All right, peace out, y'all. Love you. Happy Tuesday.